What's up, YouTube? In front of me I have the Burly Brand Fairing, and I haven't seen anybody put one of these on. I know I've seen a couple YouTube videos of people putting on Memphis Shades Fairing, but you know what? I'm gonna go for something a little bit different. Quite honestly, guys, I don't know if this is gonna fit my bike. It says it will on Cycle Gear and Revzilla, and that it might require a little bit of modification. We'll see how much modification in this video. And for this install, you're gonna need a heat gun, hex set, socket set, Phillips, a flat, and a 10 and an 11. They say step one is to attach the fairing to the windshield, and you're gonna use these because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Kind of makes sense, right? So after putting the windscreen to the fairing itself, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna put these heat shrink wraps onto these hose clamps. It's gonna look something like this. And I think the reason that they do that is, you know, it's kind of one of the ways that they kind of make this whole kit a little bit cheaper. All right, takes a minute, but yeah, you should be able to get it on there like that. So the next step is to mount these brackets onto here, and there's different configurations. Apparently you can configure it this way or this way. Okay, so you're gonna mount this triangle shaped bracket to one of these. For me, I have it on the very top, and you want to make sure that you leave enough play so that it's easier to adjust once you kind of line it up to your bike, okay? Remember, guys, there needs to be enough give so that you can properly adjust the headlight to the fairing itself. So another thing that I did is I just got done heat treating my shrink wrap.
Look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
All right, what matters is that you guys get the mounts on there and get the hose clamp tightened, but don't do it too tight. You want just enough wiggle room so that you can always adjust it as you go.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
As you can see, it's a little late out right now. It got pretty dark. The good news is we got the fairing installed on the bike. And man, do I like it. And something I did purposefully is I left the plastic on until the end, as I didn't want any scratches if I could avoid them. But yeah, just carefully remove the plastic, not like how I'm doing it. I'll probably have to go back and remove some of the plastic again, but yeah, it looks really good once the little plastic piece is off. It looks a lot cleaner. Also, last but not least, I got something else for my Rebel, and it's this Burly Brand tank bag. That's where I plan to have my phone mounted. As you can see, I took off the ram mount that was on the handlebar there. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the Burly Brand fairing? Personally, I think it looks really great. It's a little bit different than what people typically put on their Rebels. If you guys like it, please let me know down in the comments below. And again, I appreciate you guys watching another one of my videos. Till next time, guys.
Peace out.